Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the lawn tractor. About 10 hours now it's been running, so after every 10 hours you want to be changing your oil. Motorbike, lawn tractor, any type of machine that's being used pretty heavy like that. This is the Cub Cadet 127 centimeter cutter. I got it this season, I got it new, so this is the first time I've changed the oil, and I've just been looking at it and I can see it's fairly straightforward. So I thought I'd just show you how it's done and how I do it. We could look at the amount of time it's been running. Does that say? 9.2 hours. So let's get the oil changed on it. And to do that, first things first, you need to have an oil tray or some bucket of some description. You don't want to be piling oil out onto your grass or onto your lawn or onto your patio or anywhere else. So what I'm going to do is this little hose here, let's see, it comes up. This is basically a locking nut that holds the oil in. So I release that and then I drop that through there, and all the oil shall come spilling out, after which I will put new oil in. I'm using this lawn mower oil, mineral oil, SAE 30, which is I think pretty standard for lawn mower oil. The guy recommended this that I bought it off him. Okay, to release the locking nut, to release the oil or to get the oil out, just need a couple of spanners. You need a small one, this is 12, and you need a larger one, this is 19. The larger one's going to hold the nut while the other one unscrews the fastener. And yep, hopefully the oil shouldn't make such a mess. Loads of flies today. I'm going to keep the tube up while I do it. Yep, here we go. There was a bit of wax on it, or some kind of glue that they've put on there to keep it sealed. Sealant, obviously. Put that up here, safe. Here we see it. Decent colour, it's not overly minging. It looks okay. So I'll let that sit and drain basically. Once it's out of there, then we start to fill it up. I've got a funnel in the garage I need to go and get as well if I'm going to fill this. Or maybe I need to make one, we need to see. I don't know if I can find my other one. Yep, so we'll get back to it in a minute. I couldn't find my funnel anywhere, so I'm going to have to be quite careful about it. But I also looked online, and this particular engine, this Kawasaki engine, takes 2 litres of oil on the oil change. So I have 3 litres here, so I'm just going to have to eyeball it, I think. It's stopped draining now, so it's just to lock that back in place and put it together again. Here's a wee trick, by the way. When you're doing this, move the oil pan out of the way, or else your spanner will fall in it. And I'm happy that's back together, very tight. And we're going to put the oil in. Bit of spillage. What do we expect? Well, we can live with that. We clean it up. Thinking that's ideal. That's 700 mil, half is 700 mil, and I'm thinking that's about half, so tip top job. Right, so that's the new oil in. Put the oil cap back on, fold the seat back down, and we're left with just a pan of oil right here. Dispose of it responsibly if you're doing this job. That's your basic oil change. There's no very much to it. It's just to make sure you get the right amount, clean oil, drain it properly, and we'll give it a start now and we'll see if it starts, see what it sounds like. Absolutely perfect, can't complain. Right you are, so that was the oil change done and dusted. Pretty straightforward. If you liked it, hit subscribe or like or whatever all that shite is. It seems important to everybody. Next video should hopefully be in a couple of weeks. I'll maybe change the motorbike oil, something similar, something simple. But yeah, just for watching.